Hello, this is Lauren Cancio, Principal of Southland Schools Online. Welcome to our Q&A question and answer video that I went ahead and created to ensure to bring clarity and trust that we have everything that your student needs to be successful moving forward. I hope you enjoyed our introduction video that you saw of myself and the CEO sharing the vision and heart of Southland Schools Online. We truly do desire and want to ensure that every student soars and is successful. So I know, let's just get right into some of the questions that have been posed. And the first one that I know is most important is the I20 process. So let me go ahead and go over the steps. So the first step, step one, has actually already been done. You all have applied to our Southland Schools Online program. A lot of you have given and submitted passports and transcripts and paid our application fee. So that step has been done. The second step, though, that Amelia, who has been the one in charge of the I20 process, she's been very diligent in making sure to answer one-on-one questions. She wants to make sure that everyone understands that the next step, no matter if you are going to continue as our online student or come on site, is you have to pay the $650 registration fee. This is across the board the standard fee that you would have to pay no matter what private school you go to. And this is strictly just so we can have SEVIS go ahead and process your I-20 and ensure that it shows that it's cleared and you're able to travel back to the United States and to prove that you're going to a school that is accredited and is within the SEVIS regulations, okay? The next step, which a lot of you already have done, is tuition. You are already paying tuition for online. I appreciate those that are being diligent to pay your online monthly payments on time. Just so you are aware, you don't have to be an on-campus student. SEVIS has allowed students to stay online and still be in the States and get an I-20 process. As of right now, that is the decision that has been made. So please be rest assured that tuition isn't going to be changing unless you want to come on campus and be an on-campus student. You can continue to be online and pay those monthly payments. Obviously, the $650 is still something you have to pay in order to get the I-20 process happening. But please be rest assured, we don't want to cause any extra financial weight. I know there's a lot that goes on with international families, a lot of extra fees that come up. So please be rest assured that we are here to work with you and we want to make sure you feel supported financially. So the next question that has been brought up is basketball activities. We have a gym that all of our student athletes on campus access. It's a standard gym. We also have an on-campus outdoor basketball courts as well for practice. And a question that has been brought up is, will Kevin Fuller be the one in charge of coaching? Absolutely. We don't plan to take that over. All we have is we have our Southlands Athletic Director, Ted Marvel, who would be overseeing the program due to the fact that he is our CIF liaison. He's the one that makes sure that you all can play legally. And also just to know something about CIF is you have to, in order to play next semester, you have to stay enrolled in the same school. I don't want any miscommunication of, and I definitely want to be clear is that if you do transfer mid-year, you may not be able to play next semester with that school due to CIF regulations. CIF doesn't allow students to play in another school if they transfer mid-year. So keep that in mind since you are a Southlands student. If you stay with us, whether it's online or on site, you will be able to play. Okay, so just to clarify, that is a CIF rule. And the reason why they have that is they don't want athletes to be jumping around and hopping around schools to leverage and have better opportunities. It's meant to keep the integrity of the CIF program, okay? All right, and please know that is a CIF rule, that isn't a Southlands rule, that is just strictly CIF protocol. Okay, date of arrival. Well, it is to be determined. As of right now, our goal is spring, as that's when basketball would start. Right now, currently, we have 12 student cohorts for online support and live instruction that is happening on our campus currently. So we are working very hard and diligent to try to get all of our students back on campus. And last but not least, academic enrichment. Yes, we have so many AP classes that you can take either online or on site. We have over 200 plus electives that you could take advantage of as well. Please know that our heart is to give you as many opportunities as in regards to academic enrichment and as well athletic enrichment as well. So please know that we are here to support you, and my goal is to bring clarity. So please know if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to email myself or Amelia. We're here to serve you. We want to make sure everything is in the light. Thank you so much for entrusting us with your child. We care and really desire them to be successful. Thank you so much.